Okay guys, so welcome back to our video. So in this time, we're gonna solve problem number 1. So under integration of rational fractions, okay? So our functional is the integral of x minus 1 dx over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So kung papansin natin, so we're going to check the denominator. Quadratic, di ba? So x squared plus 5x plus 6. So quadratic equation. So isipin agad natin, it will fall in this category. Pero, we're going to notice, ang magiging case natin to, pag irreducible yung quadratic, which means hindi mo pwedeng i-factor, hindi pwedeng i-simplify. Pero, if we're going to check is, yung denominator niya, di ba factorable siya? Diba? So, pwede mo siyang i-break down into 2 factors. So, it means, ano yung kanyang factor? So, denominator. So, pwede it's factorable to so product of 6 that could give you 5 pag inad. So, that's plus 3 and plus 2. So, papansin natin, these two factors are what? Distinct, diba? At linear equation. So, it falls under number 1. So, ito ay isang distinct and linear factor. So, yun na. So, gawin natin. So, first step, we let yan. So, sulat mo lang ulit to. Sulat mo to, pero tanggalin mo yung integral sign and dx, so remove. Okay, so remove natin yun. So, it becomes x minus 1 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals, so, gagawin natin yung formula na distinct, diba? A over ax plus b. So, introduce tayo ng constant a. Then, eto, diba? Yung ax plus b, ito yun. So, x plus 3 plus b over x plus 2. So, yun. So, ito na yung ating irreducible distinct factor na, di ba? So, simplify na natin siya. Okay, so what's our next step? So, ang gagawin natin, we multiply both sides by eto. So, multiply both sides by x plus 3 tsaka x plus 2. Or somehow parang kinukuha mo lang naman yung LCD niyan. Okay? So, ayan. So, distribute nyo lang. So, multiply nyo yan dito. Of course, magka-cancel out lang yung buong yan. So, magiging x minus 1 is equals to x plus 3 multiply x plus 3. So, cancel x plus 3. So, a multiply by x plus 2 plus, so x plus 2 multiply, so cancel x plus 2, so litera b plus x plus 3. So, ayun na. So, that's our working equation now. Ito na yan, guys. So, ang gagawin na, our goal here, guys, next goal is to solve for the constants a tsaka a and b. So, how are we going to do that? So, of course, bahala na kayo. You can use algebra here or you can eliminate. So, by elimination. So, paano yun, sir? So, of course, if you're going to notice, if we let x, let's say, gusto mo ma-eliminate yung a, how will you eliminate constant a? Pag nag-zero to, di ba? So, if you're going to make this part ng factor natin or function mo na 0, or for 0 times any number or variable is 0, di ba? So, how can you make this 0? Let x is equals to negative 2. Ayun. So, we let x equals to negative 2. So, syempre, we'll apply negative 2 sa buong equation na to. Okay. So, substitute dito, negative 2. So, negative 2 minus negative 1. So, that's negative 3 is equals to, so, substitute mo yun dito, negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. So, automatically 0 times a, that's 0. Plus, so, negative 2 plus 3, so, that's 1. So, times b, so b. So, it means, yung b mo pala equal sa negative 3. So, that's easy as a. Napaka-easy, di ba? Napakadali lang ma-solve. Okay? O next, how will you eliminate b? Of course, you make this factor natin na 0. So, how will you make it 0? So, you let x equals to negative 3. Yun. Then, you substitute negative 3 here. So, negative 3 times negative 1, negative 4 is equals to, so dito, of course, negative 3 plus 3, 0 na yun times b. So, 0 din. So, dito, negative 3 plus 2, that's negative a. So, your a means pala, so negative divided by negative, so positive 4. So, yun na. So, our constants are a is equals to 4 and b is equals to negative 3. Sir, tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa, syempre, wala pa nga tayong integration. So, ano pa lang to? Procedural part pa lang to ng integration natin. So, what's next? So, we can say na ito pala, so we can rewrite this one. So, integral of x minus 1 dx over x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to, kopyahin mo ulit ito. But this time, yung a mo na constant kanina, mayroon ng value which is 4. So, i-plug in mo yun dun. So, 4 over x plus 3 plus yung b mo, which is negative 3 over x plus 2. Okay na. Then, what's next? We can remove this one by placing the integral sign dito sa dalawang to, or pwede mo nang i-distribute yung integral sign since parehas lang naman yung dalawang yan. This is the breakdown or the partial fraction, tawag yan, partial fraction of this one. So we can distribute now. So, the integral sign tsaka dx, so lagyan mo lang na integral yan. So, integral of 4 dx over x plus 3 minus integral of 3 dx over x plus 2. So, yun na siya. So, then, we can pull out the constants which is 4. So, dx over x plus 3 minus 3 integral of dx over x plus 2. At if you're going to notice, di ba? Pag dinerive nyo to, di ba ito yun? UDU lang yan, di ba? So alam nyo na, ano na yan, parang given na yan. Okay? So it means the integral of this one is ln. So your answer will be 4 ln of u, which is x plus 3 minus 3. Of course, ito rin. So if you let u, ito, x plus 2, dinerive mo, di ba dx siya? So du over u. So ln din yan. X plus 2 plus c. And this is your final answer. Ayun, di ba? So, sobrang dali lang niya, guys. So, ang ano lang dyan, ang tip lang dyan, make sure na tama yung pag-solve mo nung constants mo. Then, everything will go smoothly na yun. Especially sa integration part. Okay? So, yun. So, that's example number 1. So, on our next video, we'll try to solve another example involving distinct linear factors. Okay, guys? So, thank you, guys. So, stand by for that video.